Hello dear students, let's see some questions from language of chemistry as a revision. What is a symbol? What information does it convey? Short form of atom of specific element or the abbreviations used to refer names of the element is known as symbol. Number 1, it represents a specific element and it represents one atom. A symbol represents how many atoms are present in its 1 gram atom. Now 1 gram atom means the atomic mass of that element. Number 4, it represents the number of times an atom is heavier than one atomic mass unit taken as a standard unit. So it shows how many times the atom is heavier than the standard 1 atomic mass unit. Question 2. Why is the symbol S for sulfur but Na for sodium and Si for silicon? While naming the element, first letter of the element is taken and written in capitals. Example, for sulfur, we use the symbol S. In case if the letter is already adopted, like more than one element cannot be renamed as a same letter. We use a symbol derived from Latin word of the name, like example sodium or natrium, we use the symbol Na. In some cases, we use the initial letter in capital together with a small letter from its name. Example, from silicon, we use the symbol Si. So in short, it can be said that no two elements can name the same, and in case of sodium, it is already derived from the Latin name, so Na, natrium, it is used. What do the following symbols stand for? AH, BH2, C2H, D2H2. H stands for one atom of hydrogen. H2 stands for one molecule of hydrogen where there are two atoms. So these things you have to keep in mind while you frame an equation or write an equation. Where to put the 2H or where to write H2Cl2, 2Cl2, okay? Like 2H2 stands for two atoms of hydrogen and 2H2 stands for two molecules of hydrogen where there are 2 into 2 equal to 4 atoms. So these things you have to keep in mind while framing the equation, where you have to put 2 in front or as a subscript. You have to think logically and write. Write the formulas of the following compounds. Number 1 is baking soda, NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Quicklime is CaO. Ammonium dichromate is NH4 2Cr2O7. Sodium sulfate is Na2SO4. Potassium chloride. See, you have to think the difference between chloride and chlorate, sulfite and sulfate. So, potassium chloride in this case is KClO2. So, learn the symbols of the radicals, cations and anions and write the names and formulas accordingly. So, students, goodbye for now.